In this video, we're going to show you how to connect your WooCommerce shop with SendCloud. After this short guide, you will be able to import your orders into the SendCloud panel and offer service point delivery in your checkout. All you need is a free SendCloud account and access to your WooCommerce admin dashboard. First, install the free SendCloud plugin in your admin dashboard by navigating to Plugins, Add New. Search for SendCloud and click on Install Now. After it has loaded, activate the plugin in the same view. To connect your shop to your SendCloud account, navigate to the SendCloud tab in the WooCommerce settings. Click on Connect with SendCloud and authorize this action by clicking on the Connect button. Now that our orders are being imported, we can start activating service point deliveries in our checkout. Offering service points helps increase conversion rate by allowing your customers to pick a service point to which their order is delivered. Firstly, activate service point delivery in your integration settings in SendCloud. To activate this checkout method, head on over to the WooCommerce settings, click on the Shipping tab and edit your shipping zone of choice. Here you can add a new shipping method and select Service Point Delivery. If you wish to do so, you can also edit this method to add additional costs or tax information. Now our imported WooCommerce orders also include the service point information. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.